So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tonight, and today we're gonna unbox the Galaxy Watch over here. So most of you know that the Diwali season was around in India right now. So there was a lot of offers that was going on, and one of them was if you buy a Galaxy Note 9, then you would get a Galaxy Watch for 10,000 rupees, which is actually worth 25,000 rupees. So I got it for 10,000. It is a 42 mm watch over here. So there is two versions that comes around. That is 42 mm, which is the base version, and a 46 mm version, which is the larger one, and it rocks a great battery life as well. But I got the 42 mm one, which was around 10,000 rupees for me. So actually when you buy the Galaxy Note 9, you get a promo code in My Galaxy app, and when you apply that code, you will get this watch for 9999. So that is a great deal. So I just bought it off, and so let's cut into it. First of all, so what you have to do is you have to order the watch from the Galaxy Note 9 itself. So just go into the My Galaxy app, you will get the promo code. Just click on apply the code over here, just pay for it, and the watch will be delivered to you. I think it took around a week. I think I ordered it around 9th of November, I think, and it just got here. Today is 16th November, so it took around a week. So let's just open it, and you have a great packaging over here. So as you can see, I have to cut a lot of plastic, and there's a lot of cello tape over here as well. So let's just cut the bill out of here first of all. Be careful with the knife, it is not a thing to be play with. So here's the bill, or I think the delivery something over here. Let's just put it aside. Let's open up the box. So guys, we're just gonna cut into it, and there's a box over here, a brown box from Samsung shop, and we're gonna cut into it also. And here you have it guys, the Galaxy Watch. So you have the bill over here, so I'm just gonna put it right over here, and you have the Galaxy Watch over here. So it does say 4.2 centimeters Bluetooth over here, the Galaxy Watch. And when you look around the box, you have the long battery life, which was very much emphasized upon on the event. And you also have the auto fitness and wellness tracking. So there's a feature over here which I'm not really aware of that much, but you also have a 39 plus workout activity support, so that is really great. So what happens is when you do any kind of exercise, it will actually detect itself what kind of activity it is, and it will log you into it. So it will be recorded as that kind of exercise. So that is really great. With this watch, you also have a water resistant of 50 meters. That is just amazing. You can go inside ocean up to 50 meters. That is a huge number. So that is really great. You have stay connected Galaxy Watch. So it does have Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, and there is also a LTE version, which is I don't think available in India. Let's get into it. So just let's open the seal. There's another seal down right over here. Great, and we're gonna just pull it out. I'm not sure how to pull it out because there's a strap over here, right? So you get confused sometimes. And it is here. It looks great, guys. So as you can see, it looks great. It has that matte look over here, which is from the box, and you have a little slight glossy Galaxy Watch written over here. So that is really great. You have the watch. It looks great. It has that dial over here, which you can rotate according to your needs wherever you want to go. You have a great strap over here. I'm just gonna change that. I think I'm gonna go with the leather one. I really like leather ones. And I also saw a yellow colored one which was looking amazing. I saw a guy wearing that. He had the same watch. Maybe he had the 46 mm version, but he was wearing the all black version of the watch with a yellow strap. That was looking just amazing. So let's just put it aside and see what else is in the box. So there is a strap over here which you can use to pull out stuff. So there's nothing over here, and you have two compartments over here which you can open up, and I'm just gonna open the left one first, and I think this is the charging dock. No, it is the charger actually. So you have the charger which you can connect to the charging dock, and then you will put on your Galaxy Watch over there and it will start charging. You also have a extra strap over here. I think for some people this strap might be a little short, so they provide an extra strap that you can put on and go about your deal, right? So you have the charging dock over here. It looks and feels really great. It is really soft over here. You also have your warranty card over here, and I think this is also a startup manual. Yeah, quick start guide. I'm just gonna put it aside and start the watch. So let's just peel the plastic right off the watch. It is a lot harder than it. So I have pulled it out and I don't really know how to start the watch. I think you have to press both the buttons. Yeah, so it started up and the first thing it shows is Galaxy Watch. So it does come with an OLED display which would really help with the battery life. So it is marketed as a great battery smartwatch, so that is really great as well. Let's just open the strap as well. So it looks good over here, as you can see. So it tells me that you have to download the Galaxy app to pair it up, and let me just download the application first. So guys, as soon as I picked up my phone, it showed me that Galaxy Watch LE has been detected. So I'm just gonna try and connect it with this only. So it does say that it is first going to install the Galaxy Gear application. So it is right now installing the application, I think. It is not a really heavy application, so it just is about 7 MB, so that is really great too. So let's pair the devices. So as you can see, the Galaxy Watch is showing a great animation over here. It is actually the animation of galaxies. It looks really cool. So it does say that it needs a software update or something like that. So I'm not sure what is going on. I'm just gonna go in the Galaxy Wearable application once again. This animation over here on an OLED display looks just amazing. As you can see, since it is an OLED display, the black are pitch black and sparkling stars are just looking amazing. So that is really great. So when I turn the dial over here, when I rotate it over here, it gives a subtle vibration letting me know just check the watch and wait for what is going on your device. So I'm just gonna wait for it. In the meanwhile, I think what I have heard is this is the back button and this is the home button over here. So that is what is about this watch. So I'll just get back when it is done preparing to connect. I think my phone is very worried what I am connecting with it. It is taking a lot of time, but it says while you are pairing, take a moment to get familiar with the watch. Let's do that, and it shows that it is the home screen, and when you rotate the bezel, it will give us different things. So let's go next. So you have the keys. The upper one is the back key and the lower one is the home key. So that is really great, and it will give me notifications as well. So that is really great, and I have to enable that because it is Android, it needs permission. So I'll do that later. Let's do done over here, and it's still getting connected. My phone is really worried what is going on with it, but I think it's done now. I just have to agree to all of this. So it is done now, and the watch tells me to turn it clockwise to see the widgets. Let me just zoom it over here. So clockwise for widgets, so as you can see, and anti-clockwise for notification. This is the back key and this is the home key, which is once again this. And for settings, I can just go over here. I don't know what it does. Try cover again. So what happens if you put a palm over your watch? It will just turn off the screen. Okay. Why? I don't know why it was so hard. So you have your applications over here. You have messages, you have phone, you have contacts, email, Samsung Health, and a lot of more things. And you also have the next page. You have Samsung Flow. You have many applications over here, so that is really great. You also have Bixby. Let's try that out. I don't know why the application just crashed. Yes. You have to do a lot of things over here. Hi Bixby. So it is listening now. So that is really great. You also have the LT barometer, so that is really great too. So it will show you the pressure over here and what altitude you're on. So that is the watch, and it looks really great on the first glance. I am yet to use a smartwatch. This is my first smartwatch, so I'm just gonna use it and let you know in a couple of days how is actually the experience. And I really like this rotating bezel over here, which makes things a lot easier. You also have I think watch faces over here, so you can change according to your needs. I really like this futuristic kind of stuff, but I really like that one where your watch shows you at what time you're free, which was shown in the keynote. So it was shown over there, and that is my favorite feature. So I'm just gonna use it and let you guys know what it is like to use this watch every day. So guys, I think that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chaitanya Sneria signing off.